Hello everyone, I hope all are doing great and enjoying this period of lockdown. You know, the entire country and the entire world is facing this negative situation of COVID 19, and in this situation, I'm going to share with you a very important message. And from my side, although it is very non academic, but I request each one of you to see this video till the end so that you can get to know the important message which I am going to share with this to all of you in this video. I request everyone to please share this video to the maximum students, as well as your colleagues, as well as your friends, and even those who are non-CS, CS, CM aspirants. They can also watch this video till the end. I'm going to speak about where there is a will, there is a way. You know this proverb, and we have known this proverb since childhood days, and we know this proverb, but we tend to apply it in our practical lives very less. So guys, I would like to share some experience of mine, which I how did I apply this proverb in my personal life in this COVID situation, and I would like you also to kindly do this part from your side. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikunj Goenka. I am CA by profession and a teacher by passion and great love of the subject taxation, and I have been associated with SJC Institute, and I'm teaching tax at both inter and final level in CS, CS and CM across all three courses. So was my side. Now I am going to share with you the important message which is basically conveyed by me in this video through this proverb: where there is a will, there is a way out. Now we generally have come to know since this 40 to 50-day lockdown period that we are capable of doing lot more things, and we are in a lockdown situation and we don't know what to do, how to do, when to do. And some of the students or some of the people are wasting time, some of the people are utilizing their time, and some of the people are also still not able to sink in that how to overcome this situation. So guys, what I would share my piece of story with all of you, as you all know that I am a teacher and I teach CACS students at both inter and final levels, both offline and online. So you must be knowing that we give our live classes. So इस lockdown period में क्या हुआ था? So we had started taking Zoom classes, and Zoom में we used to take webinars and we used to take meetings for the students, and we used to operate with limited resources, because obviously when we used to teach live, the type of setup and the type of recording setup which we used to have was very limited. But when we are working from home and when we are teaching from home, we don't have that much resources which we can expect when we are doing center. So obviously when we are at not at center, and when we are working from home and we are teaching at home, so we have very limited resources, and at times we had to compromise with lot many things. So ये compromisation झलकता था students के ऊपर इसका negative impact होता था. And at times I used to not to able to take classes because sometimes my laptop was not working, or sometimes there was a net issue, or sometimes the quality of the video was not at all good, with which my students used to suffer. So I was waiting for the lockdown period to end, and then I thought that I'll be going to the center and I would again resume my classes, and again I would start giving the videos. But after the extension from that 3rd May lockdown, I was really embarrassed and I was really very sad, as in how will the situation continue, and till how many days I have to sit at home. Although I was not sitting at home, I was working for my students, I was preparing study materials, I was conducting Zoom webinars, but that was not my utmost satisfaction which I got. So मैं क्या किया कि suddenly I started inquiring about how to go to center, whether I can go to center or not, because we are not allowed to even move outside the complex. We're not even allowed to move with our private vehicles on the road. And I had applied for this online permission. अगर आपको याद हो, पता होगा, in Kolkata there's a website Corona Pass, kolkatapolice.gov. So I had applied for that for a movement pass, so that I can go to the center, I can collect all the equipments, and I can bring at my home, and then I can start giving my lectures full-fledgedly, and I can even record my classes for my students. But this was only possible if I be allowed to go from my home to center. So first of all, it definitely was not safe. I had to play a risk game, and I just day before yesterday I went out, and early morning I went to my center and I collected all the equipments. Although reaching the center I was caught by two policemen, एंड वहाँ पे उन्होंने मेरे को रोका भी और कहा भी कि आप पास के बिना नहीं जा सकते, बट इट वाज very difficult for me to explain them that I was a teacher and all India basis पे I teach students and my students will suffer because if I will not be able to give classes. So obviously I was not having permission because my application was still pending online. So that policeman charged me and give whatever उन्होंने काफ़ी चीज़ कहा मेरे को, बट आई वॉज वेरी मच एक्सप्लेनिंग देम कि यू प्लीज़ अलाउ मी एल्स आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू यू टेक द क्लासेस. बस जो भी हुआ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई जस्ट मैनेज द सिचुएशन एंड आई reached the center even after facing that issue, and then I collected all the equipments which I could have done, and I just loaded onto my car and again I came back to my home. Now the real challenge began when I came to home and I had to set up all the equipments which I had at my center, and I had to set up all those equipments at my home alone. Okay, generally we have a technical team who take care after all these things. We have to pretty much take care about our full concentration on our studies and how to teach students and our curriculum. But यहाँ पे मुझे as a analyst, मुझे as a technical person, I have to be aware about all the softwares, of how the things work and how we record lectures. Even I'm recording now in front of you and you're getting the best quality. That is also too much of hard work had gone in making this video a real successful, and today I'm recording this video sitting at my home and I'm running this smoothly without any hassle-free operation, and I'm going to continue this in future. नो मैटर जब तक लॉकडाउन चले मैं आपके साथ रहूँगा, हमारी पूरी इंस्टीट्यूट आपके साथ रहेगी, एंड विल बी गिविंग यू एज मैनी एज पॉसिबल. जितने नॉलेज शेयरिंग हो सके मैं आपके साथ करूँगा इवन इन लॉकडाउन सिचुएशंस. दैट इज़ माई प्रॉमिस एंड दैट इज़ माई गारंटी. सो गाइज, सो अब हुआ क्या? सो वंस आई केम बैक टू माई होम एंड देन इट वॉज अ कॉज ऑफ वरी फॉर मी कि how to set up the software and how to set up the entire system at my home. I had no clues. So what I did, first of all, I just realized it my own self that I would try my level best. So yesterday night till 2 a.m. after midnight I tried my level best. जितना मुझे हो सका मैंने किया, and I had completed almost 90% of the things which I had to do. Just 10% remaining was left, which I did today morning. So I had required help of some assistants, some expert people whom I contacted through phone and just got the work done. So successfully I could sit in front of you and record the video. See, my whole purpose of this video is just to make you aware that if you want something to be done, that can be easily be achievable if you want that thing seriously to be done. But एक होता है ना कि ठीक है ना, we try to delay, we try to procrastinate, and then we tend to postpone things, and that then the things really goes beyond your control. So what I'm trying to bring you this point, that where there's a will, no, when you want to do something you can do some things, and 10,000 ways will come out if you want to do things. Okay, so मैं क्या किया, तो I had to set up the laptop, I had to set up the this DTU, I have to set up this mic, there's a green screen behind me, I had to set up table, chairs and all those kind of wires. There were so many complicated things. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ होते हैं, खैर वो इतना डिटेल में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट there were so many, I was not even aware of all these things, but suddenly things I started researching and सब कुछ हो गया automatically. मतलब I just had to do a bit of research work. I just had to go in deep thought, had to just talk to people over phone, take friends' help and talk to some experts, and then I just accumulated things and then things started working. So what is the moral of the story is, the moral of the story for students, I would say, is that even if you think that in this lockdown what to do, how to study, guys, you can do study. Why to depend upon the teachers? You please study your own self. If you're not getting the materials, if you're not getting their help, but if you're getting the teachers help, you should definitely see the classes, be it live or be it recorded, and just not think over whether the exams will be postponed or not. Just ये ना सोचे कि एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन होगा कि नहीं होगा. You have to give your best shot, you have to give your attempt very nicely. Just leave the rest upon the institute. It is institute's headache to take the exams. It is our headache to teach and to study. Our headache is to teach, your headache is to study. हम उसको headache नहीं मानते, हम तो उसको बहुत passion मानते. इसलिए at the beginning of the video I told you that teaching is my passion. Okay, it is my passion and CA is my profession. So basically you have to understand the moral of the story in very very true sense, and if I admit that if you take this in a very true sense, definitely you will go long way ago, and long go ahead you can go this. Okay, so just try to understand, do your part, let the institute play their own part. Where there is a will there is a way out, guys. And बाकी सारे professionals जो services में provide करते हैं, या फिर be it CA, CS or cost accountant, those are giving services to clients, my advice will be, you please give as many as services as possible to from home. Give online services. Don't give your employee don't give holidays to your employees. Ask them to work from home as much as possible. Give them online resources, give them online platform so that they can work from home. So this was a piece of advice from my side. So this is all what I have to tell you in the video. I hope you all are very safe, and please घर से बाहर मत निकलिए. घर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो कोरोना बाहर नहीं जाएगा. कोरोना बाहर तभी जाएगा जब अपने घर के अंदर रहेंगे. ओके, सो यू प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. जैसे आपको कुछ भी सिम्टम्स लगता है बुखार का, इमीडिएटली अपने नज़दीकी हॉस्पिटल में या कहीं पे भी जाके just get yourself tested so that you be safe, and definitely inform your family members about it so that no one else gets hampered because of this. So guys, that's it from my side. I'll be very soon coming with so many videos. जैसे मैं करता हूँ, अब मैं अच्छे से आपको हेल्प कर पाऊँगा, क्योंकि मेरी जो चाह थी वो मैंने सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट की. अब मेरे को आपको और से मदद करना है. जितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जितने सारे व्यूअर्स हैं, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स हो चाहे नॉन स्टूडेंट्स बैकग्राउंड के हो, I'll be giving my level best to give them full-hearted support, and that is sharing of knowledge. Thank you so much. This is Nikunj Goenka signing off from this video. Bye bye, take care, and have a nice day.